There's something that almost everybody is dealing with these days, and it's overthinking. And I think we should totally talk about it. Let me give you a simple example. Whenever somebody replies late to a message, what happens? Our mind starts creating different scenarios. And it can be, are they angry with me? Did I say something wrong? Or like, are they upset with me? There are various scenarios that they create, and within a few minutes we have created a whole different story in our head. But the reality could be that they are busy in work, studying, sleeping, or doing something actually important. And the funny thing about overthinking, most of the time we don't even accept the reality. We accept the fake scenarios that go on in our mind and the mind creates. A small thing like a delayed reply becomes a very huge problem. And then sometimes we need to even react to people based on the stories that we have created on our mind, not based on what actually happened. It's not just about the messages. Let's say you failed in an exam. Instead of accepting what happened and figuring out what went wrong, our mind starts asking various of questions. What will people think? What if I never succeed? What if I keep failing? And then actually one result turns into 100 different worries. And the truth is, we overthink about the smallest of the things. We go so deep into our thoughts and we stop seeing reality. What is it? And honestly, life would have been so much easier if we simply would have accepted the reality and the reality we are in and what we wanted. And if someone wants to talk, they will. And if we went wrong, we'll learn from it. And if we failed, there was a reason behind it, and we can maybe work on it. But creating hundreds of imaginary situations won't change the outcome. So maybe the solution to overthinking isn't finding answers to each and every thought. Maybe it's just accepting the reality, clearing out our mind, and focus on what we can actually control. And sometimes taking a deep breath and sitting quietly and meditating would ever help clearing our overthinking. And the fake scenarios that we create is just a thought.